Hey everyone, OpenAI just dropped a major update for ChatGPT, something people have wanted since day one, parental controls. Let's break down what's new, how it works, and why it matters. What's new? Parental controls are now rolling out on web and mobile. Parents or guardians can link their teen's account and manage settings to create a safer experience. Once linked, parents get a control panel, and if the teen unlinks, the parent receives a notification. Main features. Parents can set quiet hours to block ChatGPT during certain times. Disable voice mode so there's no audio input or output. Turn off memory so chats aren't saved. Block image generation if needed. Opt out of model training, keeping conversations out of future AI updates. Linked teen accounts also get extra protections like reduced graphic content, limits on viral challenges, and restricted role play. A detection system can flag self-harm concerns, with alerts sent to a parent if a serious risk is found. Why it matters. This is a big win for families. Parents finally get tools to guide how teens use AI. But it's not perfect. Settings are optional. Teens can unlink, and the promised automatic age detection is not fully active yet. Education and conversation are still key. Setup steps. To use it, a parent sends an invite, the teen accepts, and the parent gains access to the control panel. From there, toggles for quiet hours, voice, memory, images, and training are easy to switch on or off. My take. OpenAI is finally giving parents the controls they've been asking for. It's a smart move, but it's just one piece of keeping teens safe online. I'll be watching to see how many families enable it and whether more safeguards appear in the future. Outro. What do you think? Is this enough, or should OpenAI go further? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more updates on tech and mobile news.